standing on the corner, suitcase in my hand. Jack's in his corset, Jane is in her vest, and me, I'm in a rock and roll band. Huh. Riding the studs back at Jim. You know, those were different times. All the poets, they studied rules of verse, and those ladies, they rolled their eyes.
She don't care. She said that living with me was bringing her down, yeah. She would never be free when I was around. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride, but she don't care. 1, 2, 3. Following James in the Tahoe mud. Stick around to tell us all the tale. Well, he fell in love with a Gun Street girl. And now he's dancing in the Birmingham jail. Dancing in the Birmingham jail. He took $100 off a slaughterhouse Joe. Bought a brand new Michigan 20 gauge.
But then he rapped all night about his suicide. I'd kick it in the head when he was 25. Speed jive, don't wanna stay alive when you're 25. And when you're stealing clothes from Marks and Sparks, and Freddy's got spots from ripping up the stars from his face, funky little boat race. The television man is crazy, Sam with juvenile delinquent Rex. Oh man, I need TV when I got T-Rex. Oh brother, you get, I'm a good man. Hey, dude, where are you? Stand up,
Okay.
If this is to end in fire,
then we should all burn together. Watch the flames clang higher into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn, all burning on the mountainside. And if we would die tonight, then we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out, Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn, all burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollowing souls, and I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you'll remember me. Oh, should my people fall, they'll surely, I'll do the same, confirmed in mountain halls. We got to close the flame, calling out, Father, oh, hold fast and we will watch the flames burn, all burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountain. I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire hollowing souls, and I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you'll remember me.
Shall I tell you about my life? They say I'm a man of the world. I've flown across every tide. I've seen lots of pretty girls. I guess I've got everything I need. I wouldn't ask for more. There's no one I'd rather be. But I just wish I'd never been born.
get up and clean the place up. Well, I was greener than the hill. The flowers grew and the sun shone still. Now I'm darker than the deepest sea. Just bring me down, bring me a place to be. I was strong, strong in the sun. Thought I'd see when day was done. Now I'm weaker than the palest blue. Oh, so weak in this need for you.
I was 8 years old and running with a dime in my hand to the bus stop to pick up a paper from my old man. Sit on his lap in that big old Buick, steer as we drove through town. Tassel my hair, say son, take good look around. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. In 65, tension was running high at my school. There was a lot of fights between the black and white. There was nothing you could do. Two cars at a light on a Saturday night. In the backseat there was a gun. Words are passed, a shotgun blast. Troubled times had come to my hometown. To my hometown. To my hometown. To my hometown. Now Main Street's whitewashed windows and vacant stores. Seems like there ain't nobody wants to come down here no more. They're closing down a textile mill across the railroad tracks. Foreman says these jobs are going, boys, and they ain't coming back to your hometown, to your hometown, to your hometown, to your hometown. Last night me and Kay, we laid in bed talking about getting out, packing up our bags, maybe heading south. 35, we got a boy of our own now. Last night I sat him up behind the wheel, said, son, take a good look around.
Always whistled Jolly Blonde on his way out the back door on a Friday night. So many times he just stayed gone. Really did he try to treat your mama right? Shut off the tractor with the field half mowed, set the brakes and headed down the road. Phil Christmas never said where he'd been, with no presents for the children, only stories for the men. Still your mama called him daddy. She couldn't tell him no. She said she couldn't help but love the man. Wondered how it could be so.